It's summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
Well, what do we have here? Another video right off the rip. So, let's see, what do we have? All right, we got a very, very dope pair of kicks right here. I wanted to cop these, so welcome to the channel. I'm all over the place. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and please do me a big favor. Watch the entire video, please. My algorithm says I suck right now. I probably do suck. So thank you for watching my little sorry ass videos. Who has the heat? We about to get ready on and popping. Thank you for watching my videos. Much love and respect to you all. Like I said, we're on the road to 10K. We're gonna do a little mini giveaway about 7,500 or 8,000, just to make it easy. Other than that, like I said, go follow the home team. 6313, she on the way to 700. Just a small baby step on her route to 1K. The two bros, PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF, as they on the road to 5K. Be on the lookout. That merch is coming. If you don't have anybody do your merch, check out the bro Snooch Customs. Very dope brother, you feel me? Very dope channel. So he got his channel, he's on IG as well. I'm still just doing a little thing with the algorithm, just trying to see how it works with dropping the videos every day, because I know it takes a couple of days for my videos to marinate a below steam after a week or two. So enough of that talking, because we almost about 2 minutes in, ain't needed but a whole bunch of jibber jabber. So I always wanted this one first, because this is the OG. The box is a little bit jacked up here. This is the 34. You saw the other one had the Chinese New Year. So as you can see, this is a 12. I can pull it off. This is how bad I wanted this to run, real narrow. But if I was balling, I probably wouldn't do that. Probably would go down to 11. It doesn't look too bad on my foot. I should have did it on foot so y'all can see it. Shout out to Juice for finding this for me. Digging in the stash at Foot Locker Waikiki. You can see the suggested retail price, $175. Size 12. These are very dope pair of kicks. Official color white, university red, black. It got the puka here. This is a very interesting box, because you got the little thing right here as you pull it out. Nice presentation. I like it a lot. And see, I open it from the wrong side. OMG. Oh my goodness. So you spin it around. Bear with me here. Rookie mistake. You can see it right there. That's the puka hole, the white puka hole we was looking for. Now if we just release this box, we will be okay. As we having technical difficulties, as you can see, but it's gonna come out of here one way or another, and we got it. Should give myself a round of applause for that. I'm being extra. As you can see, you got your little design paper like there, like so. And do this, and we're gonna do. Drop the shoe, that feels some type of weight. But these are the OG joints of the 34. Now these supposed to look like the 34, but I don't know if they resemble the 34s or not. So here we are with this new technologies on the shoe. So you can see there you got the zoom, you got your Jumpman, you got the zoom there, you got your J4 34 to 819 with the zoom, and you got your stuff right here, and you're sitting on the side, and you got your pieces right across here, and the 34, and you got your materials right here. Coming up, you got your flight with your new buck, and then your pull tab. You also have XXX4, and right here you see that as well with your netting and stuff on the side. Very dope. You got your Jumpman right there, like so. I don't know what that is right there, but the laces kind of do got some spackles in there. And then you got your pull right here. And like I said, underneath, I like this very dope. The only resemblance maybe of the 4 would be the Nike Air on the ass, right? Pretty much to help you get the shoe on. It's kind of like a mid-cut. It will help. You can pull it up right here by the butt on the tab. Coming around, as you can see right here, you got your netting, which is very, very dope. You got Air Jordan right here, and it's almost looks like it reminds you of a Band-Aid. I don't know why, but it does. Interesting thing I just noticed on the lace holders, the eyelets here, you got little speckles, right? Polka dot. Back in the day, Kwame, right? Back in the day. I think this, I tried them on, this would be a very, very dope shoe for those who ball the shoe tree. Look at this big shoe tree. Enormous shoe tree. Inside is all red. You got 34. You got your QR code. You got all of that good stuff in there. You got this right here. Very, very dope. I must say. So, on the Lady Lit meter. Very, very dope pair of kicks. Very, very dope. OGs are always the best in the new silhouettes. So, on the Lady Lit meter, I would give this shoe about 4.9 out of 5. I know that's pretty high. Yes, 4.9 out of 5. You heard me correctly. So you let me know, do you agree or disagree? I always like to try a shoe once. I think I'm missing like 2 or 3. And I have all 1 through 34. So like I said, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. I know every shoe ain't for everybody, but I'm just letting y'all know what's out there. Much love, peace, and chicken grease. Thank you for supporting Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.